How much money does it cost to become an Amazon FBA seller? This is a question I get asked every day, whether in person, online, in the comments below, or in my free community. And in this video, we are going to go over the exact cost it takes to run a successful Amazon FBA business in 2024. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, I'm Daniel, and I have been a full-time Amazon retail and online arbitrage seller doing over $1 million in sales every year, going on 4 years now. I also own a 100% free Amazon community that I would love for you to join, link down in the description below, along with on my page. If you are ready to elevate your business with manually sourced leads, exclusive calls, an active community, restock monitors, in-store stock checkers, and so much more, you can join my premium Discord community with a 7-day free trial, along with 50% off your first month with code MDR50. Now that all of that is out of the way, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let's dive into the cost it takes to run a successful Amazon arbitrage business in 2024. The first thing you need is an Amazon selling account, and there are two options for you to choose from, a paid version and a free version. Let's go over both of them. The free version will allow you to sell up to 40 items a month plus Amazon fees, but if you're here and you're serious, I highly recommend starting with the Amazon Pro Seller account, and here's why. With the Amazon Seller Pro account, you will obtain the buy box more, be able to integrate more softwares, and also have a higher chance of being able to sell more brands and categories in the beginning. So now that you have an Amazon Seller Pro account for $40 a month, you are going to need some material to run your business and ship your items. In the beginning, you can get all of the packing materials like boxes and tape from Walmart, and I highly suggest only buying what you need in the beginning, and then as you scale your business, you can start buying these items in bulk from places like Uline and the Boxery. Walmart is a great place to buy normal boxes and tape, but if you are looking for boxes to send FBA shipments, I personally recommend Home Depot boxes as they hold a little bit more items and they're also just more sturdy. Remember that you can get free shipping labels through UPS. All you have to do is create a UPS account and go online, and under their material, you're able to order 4x6 labels. They send you a whole case. There's like 6,000 labels in there, so there is never a reason to buy your own 4x6 shipping labels. Make sure you are getting these from UPS. I would say that when you're first starting out, you can get all of these boxes and tape for around $50. So now you have an Amazon Pro Seller account for $40 and all of your packing materials for $50, which puts you at a total cost of $90 to run your business. Now let's dive into some softwares that you are going to need to be successful. The only two softwares that are a must for Amazon sellers in the beginning are SellerAmp and Keepa. Keepa is a sales history graph that also provides other data, and SellerAmp will help you make informed buying decisions and also provide you all of the data in one place to make sourcing easy. Additionally, once you start doing over $10,000 revenue every month, I suggest adding a repricer, and personally, I use Go Aurora. You can try the Aurora repricer that I use for free with the link down in the description, but I can promise you that it definitely helps me stay in the buy box longer, make more money, and also the AI features that it comes with are super cool and beneficial for my business. Again, I do not recommend that you use a repricer until you are doing $10,000 revenue plus a month. So for now, we have the Amazon Seller account, the packing materials, Keepa, and SellerAmp, which puts us right at $140 a month to run our business. New Amazon sellers will have to get ungated to sell big brands and categories on Amazon, but you can find those videos linked on my page, and you can also just buy 10 units from a distributor that supplies an invoice such as soccer.com, webstront.com, Frontier Co-op, or christianbook.com, along with many of the brand direct websites like Lego or Adidas. If you want step-by-step guides on how to get ungated in beauty, grocery, and other categories, you can access all of that stuff again in my free community, which is linked on my page along with in the description of this video. Many items you buy to get ungated on Amazon will not be profitable, but you can resell these items onto Amazon to recover most of your costs by breaking even or losing just a few dollars per unit to really lower the ungating cost. All in all, I would say you can ungate grocery, toys, beauty, and a few other big brands for around $60 once you resell the items for break even. With the seller account, material, softwares, and the ungating price, we're right around $200 to run our Amazon business. Now let's dive into the last step. Lastly, you need money to buy inventory for your Amazon arbitrage business, and I suggest having around $500 to $1,000 to start, although you can adjust that to fit your needs specifically. However, it is important to understand that Amazon is a capital-intensive business, meaning that to make money, you have to spend money. So in the beginning, for every $1,000 you spend on inventory, you can expect to profit around $300 or 30% return on your investment. When I first started selling on Amazon, I had one credit card with an $1,000 limit. So to raise additional money for my Amazon business, I would go to garage sales, thrift stores, and resell that stuff onto eBay, along with driving Uber Eats. In addition to that, I also recommend looking into 0% APR credit cards, meaning that you can get a credit card through a financial institution and usually have 6 months, 12 months, or 15 months to pay that loan back, meaning that you will not be pressed for your credit card due date in the beginning, which is extremely beneficial for new sellers, especially while they're learning how the business works. So in total, with your Amazon seller account, material cost, software cost, and inventory cost, you're looking around $700 to $1,500 to start your Amazon arbitrage business. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you never miss another one of my videos. And if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below, as I do answer every comment every 24 hours. If you are thinking about selling on Amazon and you have not done so already, please go ahead and join the free Amazon community linked on my page. If you are already selling on Amazon but you do less than $30,000 revenue every month, I highly encourage you to take advantage of my offer and try my premium Discord server 7 days free plus 50% off your first month with code MDR50. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.